Hello everyone, welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today we are making a beetroot thogayal with the addition of paaladai. Paaladai is the milk cream that comes to the top after chilling the boiled milk. It adds a very rich, vibrant taste to the thogayal. Here is how to do it. Take a heavy bottom pan and add in some Indian style sesame oil. Coconut oil can also be used for this recipe. Add in the chana dal, cumin seeds, and some dried red chilies. Adjust the chilies according to your taste. Saute on a low flame till the dal roasts and becomes golden. Remove the roasted lentil mixture to a plate and set that aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil. Add in some roughly chopped garlic, a sprig of fresh curry leaves, and the chopped beetroot. I have chopped them today. You can also grate them and add for this recipe. Add in the salt and a small marble-sized piece of tamarind. Mix well so the oil coats the beetroot uniformly. Cover the pan with the lid and cook on a low flame for about 5 minutes. The beetroots will be half cooked after about 5 minutes of cooking on a low flame. Half cooking the beetroots is enough for this recipe. At this stage, add in a little ASAFOETIDA and some fresh shredded coconut. Cook everything just for a minute. Our beetroot mixture is now ready. Take a heavy-duty mixie or blender and add the roasted and cooled lentil mixture. Also add the beetroot mixture. At this stage, add the paaladai, the milk cream. The paaladai makes the thogayal very rich and vibrant in taste. If you don't have homemade paaladai, you can also use a little bit of dairy cream or even butter works well in this recipe. Grind everything to a smooth paste. Add little water while grinding if necessary. The paste should be ground to a thick, smooth texture. Set this aside. Now let's make a simple tempering for the thogayal. Add some oil to a small tempering kadai. Add in the mustard seeds, curry leaves, and some dried red chilies. Saute for a few seconds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Add the roasted and skinned peanuts to the pan and saute for a few seconds more. The roasted peanuts adds a nice textural crunch to the thogayal. The peanuts are optional, and if you do not want to add it, just omit it. Add the tempering on top of the thogayal. Our fantastic beetroot thogayal is now ready. Serve the thogayal with hot rice and enjoy. Hope you liked this recipe. If you do try this at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, it's me Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.